So Carrie Prejean cuts off her interview with Larry King. David Letterman has affairs with his own staff members. And John Gosselin abandons his wife and his 8 children for a nanny. What's wrong with these stars? What's wrong with Hollywood? More importantly, what's wrong with our society that worships people like that? And I believe that the core issue is the openness that the 21st century has created. Openness is good. To be open-minded only enriches the mind and enriches the person. But to be too open is very, very profoundly damaging. Mark Twain used to say that some people are so open-minded that their brains spill out. And I think he was referring to the inability of the person to look at himself first and foremost, to build his character, to look at the values that God gave him so that he can develop them in the best of ways. Instead today, because of this over-openness, we are looking at the gifts and the talents and the skills of others instead of the gifts, talents and skills of ourselves. We forgot about God. We forgot about what God has given us from within, and instead we focus on others. This has been beautifully expressed by the architecture nowadays. No, architects do not build buildings as they did not too long ago with bricks and stones. It has to be mirrors, glass, everything has to be open. But when that's the case, we lose focus. We lose focus on the inner values, on what is truly important. I'll conclude by saying that Woody Allen put it best. He used to say that people work all their lives to become famous, to be out there in the open, but then, tragically, they wear sunglasses so that nobody could recognize them. And yes, he was right on the money. They wear sunglasses because they're ashamed of the people that they could have become and did not become. They're ashamed that their own private selves were not developed. They became others instead of becoming themselves.